My name's Aaron Black. I'm from Siler City, North Carolina. I'm 19 years old and I'm an aviation systems technology student at GTCC. One thing I really like about GTCC is that we get to learn hands-on and we get to work on the planes ourselves, and we get to retain that information by working on those planes. Really, the surprising thing about GTCC is the broadness of what they offer, especially in aviation, because some of the things that they offer are things that are like lost arts in the aviation field. It's really hard work and it's not easy to do, and it takes a skilled hand, and they're just kind of feeding the fire these skilled hands, and I like that. I gotta respect that.
My name is Dongjun Kim. I'm 27 years old. I grew up in Winston-Salem and I'm studying aerospace manufacturing engineering. I have a bachelor's of arts from NC State, but I kind of wanted a career choice change and I was looking into aerospace specifically. My classes at GTCC are a lot more hands-on, so it's not just about learning the information, but we get to use it every day. We get to go through repetitions of each task that we're doing, and we can see the overall goal, so we have to communicate with each other a lot more than just sitting in a classroom and taking notes. What I love about GTCC, and especially my program, is that it's more of a tight-knit group. It's the same classmates from last semester that we're all continuing to work together, and we'll probably be taking the same courses. So I think growing with them and just learning from each other, like what we can improve on.
To me, what GTCC is doing, like, yeah, they're teaching us stuff, but your learning doesn't stop at GTCC. Your learning always grows off of it. So what y'all are doing is kind of like building a house. You know, to have a good worker, you have to have a good foundation. To build off of that, you got to have every level. I am GTCC.
I am GTCC.